Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2025 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an important decision that you made. You should say what the decision was, how you made your decision, what the results of the decision were, and explain why it was important. So let's look at a sample answer. Decisions are quite crucial in everyone's life as it helps in addressing both the issues as well as maximizing the benefits of available opportunities. And today, I would like to talk about an imperative choice that I had made after completion of my higher secondary education. So, crucial means important, maximizing means increasing, and imperative means urgent. Moreover, I was in a dilemma and was facing difficulties in making a selection between Bachelors of Science and Engineering streams. So, dilemma means when you are in a state of confusion, when you have to choose between two things and you are not able to do it. So, that is what is referred to as dilemma. Therefore, I consulted my teachers, spoke to some of my cousins in similar fields to know more about the prospects of both courses, as well as researched the internet and went through a lot of posts and articles to be aware of both the pros and cons of both the career options. So, as you all can see, we have given a very relevant elaboration for the question, which was how you made the decision, right? Now, pros simply means advantages, cons means disadvantages. Also, prospects means future opportunities. Furthermore, after gathering all information, I had a talk with my parents and together we assessed all the alternative resolutions and came to the conclusion of pursuing Bachelors of Science. Finally, it was one of the most prime decisions of my life as I wanted to choose a path that would offer me a stable and secure job later on, while at the same time earning lucratively, leading to a bright, successful, and affluent future. So, for those of you who do not know what lucrative means, it simply means something that is high paying. Okay? Affluent again means wealthy. That means rich. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.